Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I need to pack an order and get this painting ready for shipping. But first, let's organize together my studio. I recently ordered some packaging supplies because I ran out of boxes, but I ended up ordering so much more stuff. So one of the things that I bought are these cute little gift boxes for my mini paintings. I also bought these pink mailers. I just love the color and I thought they would fit perfectly with my mini paintings. Every time when I get an order, I like adding some confetti and making it look like it's a birthday gift. I just want to create this experience for my customers, so every time when they get an order from me, it feels like a mini birthday for them. So next I have these tiny labels and these tiny glass bottles. So stay till the end of the video if you want to see what I will do with them. I also got this tissue paper because it's so cute. I still don't have my own tissue paper because I'm thinking of changing my logo and my branding, but till then I think this works perfectly. I needed some plastic mailers as well, since all of my orders are international and I need to make sure they arrive safely. One more pink tissue paper. Okay, I think that's enough talking. I will let you watch how I pack this painting. time when I go to the beach I find tiny seashells. They're just so cute that I had to start collecting them. So recently I had this idea to make mini gifts for my customers, so this way they can have a small piece of the place I live. I think they turn out really cute and adorable. Let me know what you think in the comments. So that's all for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye!